Some peace of mind tonight for Charlotte-Mecklenburg police officers and Charlotte firefighters. The city is extending medical insurance to family members of those killed in the line of duty. As Wcnc reporter Tony Burbeck tells us, it stems from the murders of officers Jeff Shelton and Sean Clark and the apparent insurance woes of their widows.
If for one brief second we can bring Jeff and Sean back and ask them what we could do to ease their mind in heaven, I know that the only thing that they would say is take care of my family.
Friends and acquaintances say both officers' widows ran into insurance woes after their husbands were murdered. A vote Monday covered them under the city's medical plan.
They understood the problem, they addressed the problem, and they fixed the problem in a very timely manner.
John Rainier was Jeff Shelton's best man and urged the city to help.
This is the only profession in the world where people are out to kill us.
We did it because it was right.
Councilmember Nancy Carter says continuing medical insurance to family members of first responders killed in the line of duty came up last year, but the answer was no.
We were told that it did not fit into the budget.
Now Carter wants the city to cover other employees like utility and construction workers. That plan is under review.
There's always happenstance, and I want to protect the families of everyone who works for the city.
The premium to cover the Shelton and Clark families is under $12,000.
I think it's just a very small price to pay.
Especially, Rainier says, when this was the ultimate price. Tony Burbeck, Carolina's News Connection.
The council's decision is retroactive to the day that Clark and Shelton were shot. One more note, apparently the families of Clark and Shelton were upset with Councilwoman Carter's comments at Monday night's meeting. She told me by phone today she apologizes to them for any misunderstanding, but wanted to make sure the city did all of its homework when it comes to survivor benefits. The issue of extending benefits to the families of other workers will now go before a council committee.